Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to hyperlink an email address in Canva's presentation. So first of all, you will open up your presentation in Canva, and basically let's suppose that here you have an email address icon, and you want that if someone basically clicks on that email icon, he or she will be redirected to your email address. So how is this gonna be possible? So first of all, you will select that image like this one, or select any kind of text here. So I will select an image here, and then you will click on the three dots here, more, and then click on link. And now here basically you have to enter a link. Okay, enter a link or search. So you will just type the email address. So I will just type our dummy email address, nomi at the rate of nkstudio.com. Okay, and now what this will do is that when basically someone clicks on this link here, okay, it will be redirected to that specific kind of website or an email address. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.